Hello traders, I just want to show you something on the 5-minute chart which may have a bearing on what we do tomorrow in the room for Fed day. I'm going to open the room for Fed. This is the range of the first 5 minutes in the Dow. So you can see from here, so we pushed into the first quarter hour, we pushed into the high of this range and then dropped out. We just went about 18 points under the big round number, got bought and ran straight into the very big number 17.5k. So just watch out for these numbers and just watch out for the reversal time as well. This was 90 minutes into the session before this reversed, and that's quite a typical reversal time. Okay, so just watch out for that, because that's something that we'll look at a very similar kind of setup tomorrow in the room if you are able to join me. Let's look at the daily charts now. Obviously we've got an hour just into the last hour of trading, and the Dow is sitting underneath this resistance here, but just managing to cling on to the support here. Obviously we need to know where this closes tomorrow, but we are between the 50 EMA there and the 200 EMA there. The bullish scenario would be we come down here to test 17,2000 tomorrow, maybe dip underneath it and then push back in the remaining weeks into February. A bearish scenario would be we just keep closing lower. So we close under here, we close under here, and then we come and test these areas of support here. So hence the reason why I'm not committing too much to the market at the moment, just looking at where these markets want to go. The charts I liked yesterday, the chart I liked yesterday was this. That's the pound yen. We're forming potentially a nice W pattern here. Obviously we need to close above this to get a confirmation out of that, otherwise that could just roll over as well and come and test this massive trend line. I picked up this trend line from this breakout pattern here in August 2013, picked up the low of October last year, and then just looking, and then the support level at 7174 in case this drops out and decides to come back. Because the one thing that was on my mind was we might want to come and test this breakout area here. When you get a big move like that and very little pullback, it's fairly common to want to come back, to ping back to test that before it then winds its way up again, because a lot of people have missed out on that move, and so the market does have a tendency to drag it right down again before it reverts to the real trend. Just watch out for that. Okay, so I still like this. I would buy 178 tomorrow to see if that can push up. Otherwise, I would just keep my hands under my seat and not do anything until we get Fed day out of the way. Pound Aussie dollar, that's had a great move as well, but now heading into resistance. Alright, so I'll send you the link for the room. Log in tomorrow and you'll watch the announcement and then look to see if there is a setup to get a move out of it. Alright, happy trading, and I do hope you can join me tomorrow. Thanks, bye.